Today we're talking about executive function and why won't start is often can't start. Executive function is the brain's organizing system. It helps us plan, begin, remember steps, and stay on track. A common misunderstanding is they're lazy or they're being awkward. But if a pupil is overwhelmed by initiation, planning, or working memory, they can look like they're refusing when they're actually stuck. Stuck can be silent, or it can come out sideways as behavior. Reframe task refusal as a starting problem, not a motivation problem. A pupil might struggle to start because they can't picture what good looks like. They can't choose a first step. They forget the instruction midway. The task has too many invisible steps. They fear getting it wrong publicly. Example: you say, write a paragraph explaining the causes of the Great Fire of London. A pupil stares at the page, then asks to go toilet. Then sharpens a pencil, then starts an argument. That's often executive function strain. The demand is too big and too undefined. When we support executive function, pupils become more independent over time. Behavior reduces because tasks feel doable. Confidence grows because success becomes predictable. Your workload improves because you're not repeating instructions endlessly. This is not spoon feeding, it's scaffolding access. 3 scaffolds that work across subjects. 1. Make the first step visible. Not start writing. Try. Step 1. Write one sentence that begins with "one cause was." 2. Reduce working memory load. Put instructions where they can see them, on the board, a printed strip, or a mini checklist. Say less. Show more. 3. Use model then fade. Give a short model first. Then ask for one small independent attempt. Then build. Helpful script. I'm not checking if you can do it. I'm helping you get started. Once you're moving, I'll step back. If a pupil can't start, they can't show what they know. Support the start, and you often unlock the rest. If you'd like practical next steps, I run free monthly 1-hour online sessions via Eventbrite, and I also deliver training for educators and school teams across the UK.